Alright guys, so this is the lip that I got from my 10 Gen Civic Si from Duraflex. It's um made of fiberglass. This has the vents here. Is it perfect? No. So you need some more. Yeah, it has a small crack right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So gotta put some bundle on it. Has some imperfections. Example like right here. Nothing too crazy, but so you have two styles, the same thing. It's kind of like almost like a Type R style. Yeah, this is how it's gonna look really nice on the car. A lot of people match paint this to their car, but I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to be a little bit different. So I'm gonna paint this in glossy black. That's what I'm going for. It's a really nice piece. Let me show you guys the part number, just in case if you guys want to get the same thing. This is it right here. 14 Gen Civic Duraflex front lip. So I'm gonna put some bundle, trying to make this a little bit more smoother. Example like this one. This is like 3 spots, maybe a little bit more in this corner right here, and paint it by myself. And we'll see how this thing turns out. Hopefully I can do a good job, and stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna start with some bundle, and we'll go from there. First base coat. Yes, there. Look at that. That's 4 coat of base coat. Pretty happy with the results so far. I'm gonna let the paint dry about 15 minutes and come back and do like about another 3 coats of clear coat. Is it perfect? Almost. It's a fiberglass. It has some small imperfections, but you can even tell only if I point my finger to it. Overall, look really good. All right, today is the last day. I'm gonna have this lip right here. It served its own time. I think it did pretty good for how long it's been in this car. Got good amount of damage. The vinyl wrap, carbon fiber look is gone from it. But I think I'm gonna give this one here just for the backup, just in case if the new one got destroyed or anything. I can put this one back on until, you know, find something better or something. So yeah, I forgot the company, what it's called, what I got this from. It's a Type R style. It's little vents. Yeah, so it does kind of look a little ugly because the carbon fiber is shiny and this one is kind of faded. But it's time for something new. What do you guys think? This thing look amazing. Had to do good amount of shaving to make it fit. It's not perfect yet. See right here. I'll show you guys. Let's see this. I need to figure something out to hold this in place. There's not enough meat to hold it in there. It's very small little thing that I can This is from the previous lip, so I gotta try to cover that up. But overall, it's not bad. I had to do a lot of shaving right here. I don't know if you can tell, there's a little bit of dents and wings. You can't even tell, because the ideal idea, you want to do the test fitting and everything before you paint it, and I did reverse, so that's why I got something like this. But it's not noticeable at all. You get this kind of stuff with rock chips sometimes and stuff, so I might just cover it with some little bit more paint. This side, if it's better, we didn't have a lot of problem with it as far as shaving and everything, but there is a little gap. You guys can see that. So even when I push on it, it doesn't, I can't bring these two pieces together. So why? Because of this edge right here. On the other side, I shaved that, just make it flat in here, so I was able to push this more in. So probably I have to do that, but before I want to do that, I want to figure how can I secure this side of the lip. You know, it's holding just right here. Yeah, just not enough meat also back here. But beside that, I'm gonna find something, fix that issue. But overall, it's really good. Painting it by myself, it looks nice. I really like it. I just gotta see what can I do, make it a little better. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm gonna get a new mesh tank for the intercooler and probably paint the logo again. Just gonna make it a little nicer. Yeah, I still have the template and still have some paint from this, so just spray it and just make it a little bit more brighter, right? All right, guys. Well, all right, guys, if you guys like the video, make sure like and subscribe and comment. I'm on my way to work, and I'll catch you, or I will see you in another one, baby. Peace out.